All right, Andrew, I'm doing a screen recording here in a Zoom. It's easy to do it this way. Share screen recording. Okay, we should be good to go. Okay, so I'm going to go into Tools, Terrain Elevation, Import Wizard, Text. Okay, this is the measurement data that you took, just like you sent it to me. That's what it looks like in Excel. This is the defaults in the program that I'm using, which is Realtime Landscape Architect. Typically, the defaults work really well. They're designed for this. Okay, there's all your topographical. Now, to put this in the proper perspective or to line it up with real life, we'll go into the Picture Import Wizard, Overlay. We'll bring the JPEG in, which is what you plotted everything on top of. It'll drop that in there. I'm going to make it larger. We'll have to line it up somewhat. I'm going to take the grid out. That makes it easier to see. I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to take the snaps off. Now I'm going to bring it up. We got to make it a little larger. Larger. More. So that's not exactly, yeah, make it a little bit. I like it better. You can see what we got here. What did that take me? 3 minutes. We're not, maybe not lined up perfect. You can spend a few minutes getting the nitty gritty down, but there's what you got. You started out with, I mean, here's your elevations at 5 foot 2 inches higher here. Where's your 0 point? P1, 2. Well, I'm not seeing where let's zoom in here a little bit so I can see it better. Oh, there's P1. I'm sorry. Okay, so you started here with your 0 point. You can see we're 16 inches higher over here. We're 3 foot 11 inches higher here. We're 39 inches higher here. Been a long day and I'm a little bit tired, Andrew, if I sound a little sluggish. But I mean, this has got all the data that you need. You're ready to go from this point forward. I'll put this in a PDF and send it over to you. We're going to export plan to file. You're going to see an incredible amount of data in this PDF. And we're going with the medium. Takes a while to go with the higher. Oh, don't want to go low. We want to go medium. Like I say, it's been a long Monday, Andrew. But you're doing what you need to do. You've got it, man. This is the way it's supposed to look. There it is in PDF. You got a lot of data in that PDF file you can zero in on. Cool beans.